Make a great choice today with the 2017 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.